Hey guys, this is Tim and I want to show you the electric scrubber that we bought some time ago, and you can use it for cleaning like tile floors, showers, tubs and sinks and so forth. So let's take a quick look at what all it comes with. Okay, the scrubber comes with its own base that you can use for storing and then charging. It comes with a charger as well. And to use a charger, you have a port on the back that the charger just plugs into, and then you can keep it on charge while it's in the base and plug into an outlet there. And then just a closer look at this, the scrubber itself will tilt as far as the head is concerned about 30, 45 degrees and almost 90 degrees. So when you're cleaning and so forth, ergonomically it takes a little bit less strain off your wrist. You know, if you're using it in a downward position or to the left or the right side. Then you have the on and off switch here. Then it also comes with an extender. So if you want to clean the floors, you can add this extender to it to keep from having to bend over and so forth. And to use the extender, you just want to match up the ends here and just, it'll snap into place. So you can see this adds quite a bit of length to that. So without the extender, you have about 24 inches. And then with the extender, it totals is about 50 inches. So that gives you quite a bit of ergonomic reach in using the floor scrubber. Okay, and to remove the extender, you have this button here about midways. You just press it down and then simply separate and pull it apart. Okay, and then when you're not using the extender, if you look on the base itself, you have this plug. You just take it out and you just simply place it inside this head here to protect it, to keep from getting water and so forth in it. Okay, and it's ready for use. Okay, it comes with a flat brush that you can use for cleaning floors, and you just have this triangle shape. You just match that up and twist it counterclockwise to put that in place. But this is good for cleaning tile floors. Or then you have this cone shaped brush that's good for cleaning corners. Good. And then you have this round shaped brush that's good for cleaning the round surfaces of tubs or sinks and so forth. Okay, and then you have this flat sponge. It's kind of used in conjunction with the buffer pad that you have there, and then it comes with a chenille type cleaner too. That's good for cleaning the windows and smoother surfaces. According to the manufacturer, the battery will last about 1 hour to 1.5 hours of cleaning time. So that gives you plenty of time of cleaning. And then you could always put it back on charge if you need more time. So let's give the Good Papa a try. So we're going to be cleaning the tile in the utility room floor. So you can see the grout has some dark spots compared to where it's cleaner in areas. So this is kind of what we're going to attempt to clean up. So let's give it a try. Now that the floor is dry, you can see that the tile is much cleaner, especially in the grout, using the Good Papa electric cleaner. So as you can see, the grout is clean compared to what it looked like before. So overall, I'm very pleased and have been very pleased with Good Papa electric scrubber, and it just makes the job much faster as opposed to cleaning and scrubbing with your hand. So I do highly recommend this product.